Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS-1582. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your MSI MS-1582 only charges when you hold the cable at a certain angle, it's likely due to a faulty charging port. Over time, the port can wear out, leading to a poor connection. If this problem isn't addressed promptly, it could worsen, possibly causing damage to the motherboard or battery. To remedy this issue, you will need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and a new charging port compatible with the MSI MS-1582. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by removing the back cover of the laptop. To do this, carefully use the spudger to pry open the edges, taking care not to damage any clips. Once the back cover is off, locate the charging port. It's typically situated near the battery compartment. Inspect it for any signs of damage or wear. To extract the faulty charging port, you'll need to unscrew it. Usually, there are 2 or 3 small Phillips screws securing it in place. Apply gentle pressure while turning the screwdriver, ensuring not to strip the screws. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the port out. Be cautious with the cables connected to it, you may need to disconnect these. Use the tweezers to carefully detach any connectors linked to the charging port. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old port removed, take your new charging port and align it in place. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, ensuring they are secure. Now, replace the screws to hold the port firmly in place, applying a moderate amount of torque to avoid stripping them again. Finally, replace the back cover of your laptop by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Power on your device and check if the charging issue has been resolved. If everything works smoothly, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, try to avoid using excessive force when plugging in the charging cable and keep the port clean from dust and debris. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.